In this tutorial, we will show how to set time and date and how to give text to the devices in Morley Light panel. We will start with how to set time and date. To change the time and date, we need to enter in Level 3 menu. To open Level 3 menu, press OK plus down button. The display will prompt for entry of the Level 3 password. Enter the Level 3 password using the numeric keys. In the Level 3 menu, press forward arrow button to enter panel setting options. Now press down arrow button to select date and time. Then press forward arrow button to enter date and time option. In date and time setting, we can set date in date, month, year, and time in hour, minute, second. Now exit from programming mode by pressing back arrow button. Now we will show how to give text to devices. We will follow the same step here which we have done to enter in Level 3 menu. In the Level 3 menu, there are multiple options. We need to select detected text by pressing the down arrow button and then press forward arrow button to give detected text. Please note, maximum 16 character text is possible. Once the detected text activity is completed, press menu/OK key to save the text and proceed for next detected text by using forward arrow button. Now exit from programming mode by pressing back arrow button. Explore our trainings and discover your potential. Visit www.honeywelldiscovertraining.com.